How to bind your QubitsCube account with other digital wallets like Bitget and Bybit. Very important. Before you can deposit or recharge from Bitget or Bybit or other digital wallets, you need to bind it together with your QubitsCube. You can as well withdraw to those other platforms once you have binded it together. So the binding process starts with you installing the app on your phone. You go to the App Store, you locate the app you want to install. For instance, let's say you want to install Bitget. You look for Bitget, the one that has deposit crypto or Bitcoin. You download that one. Once you download it to your phone, install it. Then you also proceed to log in. You create an account. Once you log in, you verify yourself, your identity, by providing some security documents that they need to verify you as a genuine person. Having verified, you are free to transact with those platforms. So the digital wallet, like Bitget, after you verify, then you can deposit, you can withdraw, and even trade there. So once you verified, what you need to do is you look for where you see add funds or deposit. So you click on it, then you see different options, payment options, maybe bank transfer, debit card, P2P, and other available options. But the very one you need, which normally is the first one, you will see deposit crypto. You select that option, and it will ask for the network, which is normally TRC20. You will still as well need to select the digital currency you are trading in, which is USDT for QubitsCube. You will select that USDT and will now provide you with an address that you copy. It is that address you will go and use in your QubitsCube platform to bind the Bitget or other digital wallets to your QubitsCube. Having copied that address, you will now minimize and go to your QubitsCube platform, be it on the browser or on the app. You will log in, click your username to access the dashboard. Once you open the dashboard, you will see where wallet button is displayed. Click on wallet, there will be a plus sign, click that plus sign, and you select the one with the TRC20. Select on that one, and you will be prompted with a page that has space for you to paste that your address. Having pasted that address and filled other details required, your QubitsCube platform will successfully bind with the other digital platform you have downloaded and installed on your phone. You will now be able to transact freely. In other words, you will be able to withdraw from QubitsCube, the digital wallet, for instance, Bitget, like we said, or you'll be able to fund or recharge your QubitsCube account from that digital wallet, because it is binded, and you need to do that binding only once, but you can withdraw continuously or transact between the apps perpetually until when you decide to either delete or stop or use other options.